Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment so the simulation runs smoothly. First, launch Globe Sim and confirm Build 1. 4. 2 is installed. Corrupted files break roaming. Next, sign into your account and enable Cloud Sync so preferences persist across devices. Then set your input, calibrate a controller or map mouse/keyboard controls. Finally, select the region pack you want to roam, download assets, and make sure your system allocates at least 4 GB of RAM to avoid texture stutter. Once done with setup, open the world map and pick your entry point to begin roaming immediately. You choose travel speed, walk for exploration, drive for covering ground, fly to skip terrain, because pacing changes encounter density and performance. Next, toggle dynamic weather and traffic density. These affect visuals and CPU load. Adjust NPC realism to control interactions. Use the waypoint tool to chain 3 to 6 destinations and enable save checkpoints so you can return to precise moments. To finish your session cleanly, walk through final optimization and safety steps. You should finalize performance by lowering draw distance or shadow quality if FPS dips, because small reductions yield big stability gains. Always quick save before risky maneuvers and use save checkpoints to jump back if a pathing glitch traps you. If you encounter persistent issues, reproduce the bug, collect the in-game logs, and submit them through feedback so developers can fix it. Meanwhile, load the last autosave or relaunch to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.